Hi, welcome back to Moose and Chemistry. This is Naming Acid Compounds lesson number 3. Okay, we have 4 acids below, and they all seem to only differ by 1 oxygen. So this is kind of a unique situation, so let's go ahead and do this. So I'm going to start right here, put my X at my start sign. First element is the first element non-metal. It sure is. It's the first element hydrogen. Yep, so you're going to put a yes there. Does the anion contain an oxygen? This is the anion right there. It sure does. So you can put a yes there. Is the anion ITE or ATE? This is the lower form of this, so it would be definitely ITE. Change the anion ending to OUS and put acid after the name. But here's something you have to think about. There are 4 of these right here, right? So you're going to have to use the word hypo. H-Y-P-O, and then it would be chlorus, okay, C-H-L-O-R-O-U-S, hypochlorous acid. Okay, so we use the term hypo when we have only 1 oxygen, when we have a compound that has 4 variations using the same elements. Okay, now let's look at the second one. Okay, we'll go ahead and start over here, and we're going to take it through. Okay, here we go. Start here. Is the first element a non-metal? Well, that it's definitely a non-metal. It's the first element hydrogen. Yes. Does the anion contain oxygen? Yes, it does. Is the anion ending in ITE or ATE? In this case, it's still going to be ITE. So this is going to be chlorous acid. Chlorous acid. See the difference between this one and this one is that this one has 1 oxygen, and now this one has 2 oxygens. See? Okay, so let's go ahead and keep on going. So far, so good. Now remember, there's only a couple of these out there, so chances of you seeing these things are pretty good still, but they're not common. All right, here we go. Let's look at the next one. HClO3. HClO3, yeah. So we start here. Is the first element a non-metal? It sure is. It's the first element hydrogen. Of course. Does the anion contain oxygen? It sure does. So put a yes there. Is the anion ending in ITE or ATE? In this case, it's the upper version, so this could be ATE. So you could change the ending to IC and put the name acid after the name. Okay, so you would call this chloric acid. See, pretty startling, huh? That wasn't too hard. No, this is not really that bad. You just, there's, like I said, you have to kind of watch out for this one. In my next video, I'm going to be doing the other one that's commonly seen like this. So you might want to watch that video too. Okay, so here we go. So the next one, we'll put a X at the start. Is the first element a non-metal? And is it hydrogen? It is. See that? That's hydrogen. Okay. Does the anion contain oxygen? It sure does. See, there it is. And it's ending in ATE. And now look, you're going to put an IC there. But now you already did that over here with this one. So we must have another prefix one to kind of help us with that. So there must be something else out there. And there is. If you have 4 oxygens, see that right there? You're going to use the term per, P-E-R. So this is going to be called perchloric acid. So when you have hypo, That's when you have 1 there. Then when you have 4 there, you use perchloric, right? And the other ones are pretty easy, like chlorous and chloric. They make sense. Well, that's it for this lesson. You guys be snarly, and we'll see you back here at Moosing Chemistry.